So once again, guys, this here is Mason today. Mason's joining us from Universal Studios today. I'm kind of using him as a tour guide. It's kind of nice having somebody walking around with me. So right now we're on Penguin Trek, so we're gonna give this one a shot today. Now all these videos we got shot out, guys, but we're gonna get them all out again for you. I gotta try to get my hand on this one a little better this time. These things like to throw you all over the place. Let's look at the penguins here as you're coming through the ride. We got the sudden drop here. And I'm gonna try to contour my hand to follow this ride along today. Get this one all on. All right. This guy over here likes this stuff. All right. Now this one isn't that bad. If you guys are roller coaster connoisseurs, this one's an easier one. I equate this one to Barnstormer, and there's our turbo. Wow, that was weird. They're gonna stop us. And this is 2 so far down. So we're 2 down. I got 5 to go. What do you think of that one? All right?
It's really good for like a family person.
And that one over there, guys, we're looking at, I believe it's the Kraken. And it looks like next to it looks like the Mako over there. That's my second least favorite to go on, but we'll get that taken care of for you. And I'm gonna try to keep away from the technical difficulties today with my GoPro. It's killing me.